Surprise Eggs Adventure. Hi friends! Welcome to Sohagi Spark Universe. Let's open some surprise eggs. What color is this? It's red. Let's open it. Wow! It's a red frog. Ribbit ribbit. This one is yellow. Let's crack it. Yay! It's a yellow chick. Peep peep. Now comes Blue Lou. What's inside? It's a blue whale. Splash, splash. Green egg time. Look! A green turtle. Slow and steady wins the race. And this is purple. Who's inside? A pretty butterfly. Flutter, flutter. Can you find the red animal? Yes. The frog. Great job. You did amazing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun videos.